Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. There are more than 100 types of cancer and some are more common than others depending on their things like your age, gender and racial or ethnic group. For example, prostate cancer only affect men and breast cancer is far more likely in women. Keep in mind that many cancers don't have symptoms in their early stages, and if you do have symptoms, they could also show up with other conditions, so you will need tests to find out the cause. The first one is non-melanoma skin cancer. Non-melanoma skin cancer, which includes basal cell carcinoma and squamous cell carcinoma, is the most common form of cancer. Signs of basal cell carcinoma include sores that don't heal or heal and then reappear, raised, scaly red patches, small, shiny, smooth lumps that are pink, red, or white, pale, flat areas of the skin that look like scars, sores or growth that bleed, itch, or have small blood vessels on their surfaces, pink growths with raised edges or indents. Basal cell carcinoma is most likely to grow on your head, face, neck, and torso. Signs of squamous cell carcinoma include scaly, red patches with uneven borders, wart-like growths, sores that bleed easily, won't heal, or that form a crust that doesn't go away, growths that are itchy, irritated, or painful. Squamous cell carcinoma usually forms on areas of your body that have been repeatedly exposed to sunlight, like your face. The second one is breast cancer. Signs include a new lump or mass in your breast, armpit, or around your collarbone. Most lumps are painless, but some may be painful or tender. Many lumps are not breast cancer though. The only way to tell is to have your doctor check it. Swelling in your breast, irritation, dimpling thickness, redness, or scaliness of the skin on your breast, pain in your breast or nipple, nipple discharge that is not breast milk, nipple retraction that is a nipple that's dented or turned inward. You have to note that these signs don't always mean you have breast cancer. That's why it is important to see your doctor or a breast specialist if you notice any changes in your breast. The third one is lung cancer. Signs of lung cancer include a persistent cough that does not go away and gets worse over time, coughing up blood, wheezing or shortness of breath, constant chest pain, bone pain, hoarseness or other voice changes, regular lung infections like pneumonia or bronchitis, losing weight without trying, not feeling hungry, frequent headaches, blood clots, etc. The fourth one is prostate cancer. Signs include problem in urination like trouble in starting or holding back urination, leaking, interrupted flow of urine, or a sudden uncontrollable urge to urinate, pain which may feel like burning sensation during urination, needing your pee often, especially at night, trouble getting or keeping an erection, changes in ejaculation such as pain during ejaculation or a decrease in the amount of fluid ejaculated, blood in the urine or ejaculation fluid, pain in your lower back, thighs, hips or pelvic area, and pressure or pain in your rectum. The fifth one is colon or rectal cancer. Signs include losing weight without trying, weakness and exhaustion, changes in your bowel habits like constipation, diarrhea or narrow stool that last for more than a few days, pain in your stomach or gut that may come or go but last for more than a few days, pressure in your rectum or abdomen. This might feel like you constantly need to have a bowel movement. Blood in your stool, which may look dark red or black. Bleeding in your rectum. This may appear as bright red blood on toilet paper. Next one is melanoma. Signs include a mole or a mark that on the skin that is asymmetrical. That means it has uneven edges. The edges may look scalloped or notched. A mole or freckle that has a variety of colors rather than being all one shade of brown or black. Melanoma may be brown, black, white, red, pink, or even blue. A mole or mark that is red, white, or blue. A mole that is larger than the tip of a pencil eraser. a mole or mark that is growing quickly or has changed color or shape. A mole or mark that is bleeding, itching, or crusting. Because melanoma causes visible changes on your skin, experts recommend examining your skin from head to toe once a month to spot any potential signs of skin cancer and having your doctor check your skin once a year too. Thank you.